All right, so we got another tool for you guys. Try to do these tool times every now and then. While we're working on the old Jeep here, trying to keep some content going because welding on the firewall, not very exciting. So, another tool for you. What is it and why do you need it? Well, let me show you. So when you're working on your vehicle, there's these little plugs right here. And some of them are easy and some are not. You got to pull the little lock back. Sometimes you can press on it, sometimes you can't. So that's where these little pair of pliers come in. So the one end goes behind it. The other one will just press on the little clip, and that allows you just to pull it right out without trying to figure out how do I press down on the little clip. Makes these connectors really easy, and you can get these from just about anywhere. I'll leave a link in the description. But be careful, because if you squeeze too much with these, you can possibly break the clip. So easy does it. All right, so just a quick little what is it and why do you need it? These little clip pliers work really good to reach down in somewhere where you're trying to get the big old meat hooks in there to squeeze that clip. These will snug right down inside it. They're real easy. I'll leave a link for these. Hope you like these little tool time, if you will. Like I said, welding on the firewall for this thing, that steel cracks so easy. And well, if you like these, I'll leave a link here for other tools. See you on the next one.